If you're trying to choose between Arch Linux and Fedora, you're looking at two of the most respected distros in the Linux world, but they're built for totally different kinds of users. By the end of this video, you'll know which one actually fits your workflow, your skill level, and your hardware. Let's start with Fedora. Fedora is modern, polished, and surprisingly user-friendly. It's backed by Red Hat, which means strong engineering, stable releases, and a very clean GNOME desktop experience right out of the box. Fedora uses a predictable 6-month release cycle, giving you fresh packages without the chaos of a true rolling distro. You also get cutting-edge technologies early: Wayland improvements, Pipewire, newer kernels, Mesa updates, and great hardware support, especially for AMD and Intel GPUs. For everyday use, development, content creation, or workstation setups, Fedora feels fast, stable, and professionally maintained. The trade-off? While Fedora is more stable than Arch, it's not as customizable, and proprietary apps sometimes require extra setup. Now let's move to Arch Linux, which lives in a completely different universe. Arch is the do-it-yourself distro. You install everything manually: the desktop, drivers, services, packages, and shape the system exactly how you want it. The biggest advantages are the Arch user repository, giving you access to almost any package you can imagine, and the rolling release model, which means you always get the newest software the moment it's available. Arch is lightweight, fast, and flexible, but it expects you to maintain it. If something breaks, you fix it. If you want a set-it-and-forget-it system, Arch can feel overwhelming. But if you enjoy customization and fine-tuning, it's one of the best Linux experiences you can have. So, which one is better? Choose Fedora if you want a polished, modern, stable distro that still gives you fairly new software. It's ideal for developers, creators, laptop users, and anyone who wants a reliable daily driver without spending hours configuring things. Choose Arch Linux if you want maximum control, cutting-edge updates, huge package availability, and a system you can customize down to the smallest detail. It's perfect for power users, enthusiasts, and anyone who loves building their OS from scratch. Here's the bottom line: Fedora is balance and polish. Arch is freedom and customization. Two amazing distros, but designed for completely different mindsets. If this breakdown helped you out, hit like and subscribe. I compare the biggest Linux distros and tech tools every week. Now I'm curious: Arch or Fedora? Which one are you picking? Drop your choice in the comments.